Ha Street Cypher Season 2. Joe, it's MMK on the beat. Lalela baba West. Okay again sesukile ngalentwana bavumile basitshela ukuthi basile kanti ngithule ngibabhekile banamanga bathukile babheke bajulukile bebasitshela ukuthi ngifile ganex ngisindile sekhalibani bomthaka ngibakhipha inkani mina ngiliphethe igas ukuthi ublando ujwele ubani sengiringa itsotsi dal mamela ngikutshela ivar next time asitoni pan phela sibona abangani mara athi ngicale pass ngelirik ngidangerous bheka basithathela pass but they can't do it like us so nenkinga kadli das phela mina ngivusa igas angisheshe ngibavale ngoba bathatha ama-chance nca ninenfile noma ngingazama ngelungene vuthane nibebhayane ngifese solo nhluleke mangivela phani niguce phasi ngathi ngiyimillionaire noma ningaphatla nibiza abaphansi angeke ningikhona I'm stating facts it again sazojuba kule game and I'm back njenge-rain bekathukile ama-game basemuva njenge-tail bayazama but they fail they say that they rule I don't care it's okay ngangena nge-one man show bahlanya lonke ikasi ngabuya nge-ashes to ashes kwabamnandi sakahla na-PK bezwa ngathi banebhadi westera wathi fok bashaya ivesi elimnandi yahlanya never change nami ngize ngi-acceptile angisheshe ngithatha igani ngoba ngagcina ngikhilile bashaya ngathi badef baya-actashen bazwile producer ngi-BMK naleli beathi ngiliqedile